In refining operations, heat exchangers are essential for process efficiency and energy recovery. Over time, however, performance declines due to internal degradation and fouling. Progressive fouling, metal loss, and localized corrosion compromise flow dynamics, heat transfer, and mechanical integrity. At IGS, we apply a comprehensive approach to solve problems that general contractors cannot: internal tube cleaning, external bundle cleaning, and protective cladding to mitigate corrosion. Fouling deposits restrict flow, reduce heat transfer, and often remain after standard contractor cleaning. Using engineered tube tech systems, we remove severe fouling from both tube internal diameters and external surfaces that conventional cleaning methods cannot effectively address. The process is fast, controlled, and engineered to integrate seamlessly into short stops or turnaround schedules, with no negative impact on the critical path. Engineered HVTS cladding is applied to critical surfaces, including the tube sheet, shell interior, and channel covers, forming a durable barrier against chemical attack and thermal degradation. The outcome is measurable: restored thermal performance, reduced pressure drop, extended run lengths, and improved turnaround reliability. Enhanced performance. Increased reliability. That's asset vitality.